to my channel, welcome back to a brand new video. I am kickstarting my gift guide week. This week I am doing 3 different gift guides. I'm starting with the stocking filler gift guide today, and then on Thursday I'm going to be bringing you the gift guide for him, and on Sunday the gift guide for her. Both of those videos will have a complete range of budgets from super cheap to more luxe and high end. So I hope you guys enjoy this whole week of gift guide ideas. If you do have any other suggestions on different gift guide videos I could do, then pop them in the comments down below, and I can definitely do them between now and Christmas. And also, if you did want to catch my last year's gift guide videos, I was extra careful to try and not include items that I've already previously featured, so there are even more ideas within those videos. I will leave them all linked below. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sit back, relax, put your feet up, grab some cookies and a nice hot drink, light the candles, put the Christmas tree lights on. I know that's not a Christmas tree, but that is fairy lights, and it's with a Christmas tree. I'm still yet to do our Christmas tree, but that will be coming. I've decided to just kind of not rush things this year, just do it when it feels natural. With us moving house, we had a lot going on, so that video will be coming, but I wanted to get these gift guides out there ASAP, because if you're anything like me, I like to start my shopping nice and early. So the first thing that I wanted to share are 2 different varieties of stockings slash sack, I'm going to say, because this first one is pretty much a sack. This one you may recognize from my cherries haul that I did not too long ago. They stocked these adorable sacks, which I love the print and design on these. Super neutral, minimal and very me. So I did pick up 2 of those, which I am gonna plan on keeping for many years to come. As did I get the 2 Jeff Banks range from Home Bargains ones that are the most incredible luxe, super soft feeling faux fur stockings. These are just adorable. I absolutely love them. They come with a little felt loop and 2 little pom-pom balls. Let me begin. Oh, in fact, no, I'm going to show you these as well at £1.50. I thought these were quite a fun idea to maybe put on your stockings or gifts, any gifts that you're doing this year. These are from B&M. £1.50. I actually got a letter A and E for Tom's nieces. They make good little tree decorations as well in future years. One thing that I absolutely love getting in my stocking, I think it's so fun, or something maybe you could put on a Christmas place setting as well, scratch cards. I actually picked up 3 charity ones on this occasion from Poundland, and they have 3 different Christmassy kind of designs, so I ended up just picking up 1 of each. And another thing quite fitting this year, a face mask. Whether it be a Christmassy reusable one like this one from Home Bargains. I think these are about £1 to £1.50. They have quite a few different designs. I went for this Christmas green with little candy canes on. And then they also just have the standard neutral colours. So I picked myself up a beige coloured one. Kind of in fitting with that as well, this Smart Key touch-free tool I thought could be a bit of fun to just throw in someone's stocking. These work on touch screens as well, so you can use them on your phone, and they essentially are just a little tool to avoid direct contact with anything. So as you can see from the images there, you can pull handles open, you can press lift buttons. Someone who has been very proactive when it comes to washing their hands, hand gels, hand sanitizers, I feel like they would appreciate something like this. This one was from Home Bargains. I've seen them in Poundland as well. They're like £1. Bit of fun. Speaking of a bit of fun, if they can take a bit of a joke, then Home Bargains do these poodaloos, they're called. They're like the little toilet sprays that you pop in the toilet before you do a number 2. This one is in Lavender Fresh. Spray the loo so you can't smell the poo. Again, it's just like £1. Oh, another Poundland item that I'll share with you, which I saw and I just thought looked super like quite comforting. And it is a little car freshener. So they've done this little car freshener in the scent pomegranate. It's called White Emporium. I'll show you what it actually looks like as well, because it's pretty nice. It's on a little wooden block, and it's a little glass bottle with White Emporium pomegranate on it, and it comes with almost like a shoelace style thing that you can tie around and hang in your car. If you wanted to go for another brand, I think Joe Malone do them if you want to go super luxe, but I do know, because I've had them in the past as well, Zara Home do them. So I have a couple to show you here. If you saw my Zara haul, I showed a gingerbread one that they've done. They're usually £8. I think the gingerbread one was more though. But these I've spotted in TK Maxx at only £2.99. What a bargain. So I picked up both of these. This one is in the black vanilla and white jasmine. And I have also seen that TK Maxx have been selling the Zara Home linen sprays. So I got this one in dark amber. Yet again, this one was only £2.99. Great for keeping like in a spare bedroom or in a bathroom if you want to spritz down the towels, spare bedding, wardrobes if you've got open wardrobes. I love using linen sprays, and it's just a little bit of a nicer treat than like a Febreze fabric linen spray. Another thing that I got from Zara is this discovery set that they do. So if you don't already know, Jo Malone has collabed with Zara to create some amazing perfumes, candles. So it has one of each of the little Jo Malone fragrances that she's created. My personal favorite is Amalfi Sunray. I think it is so nice, quite light, good for maybe summertime. At $15.99 this one is. I thought that was a really cute little luxe stocking filler gift idea, or if you've got a £15 budget Secret Santa for someone, that could be really nice. I also wanted to include these little tea lights that White Company do. This one is in the scent Mustique, which is watermelon, cucumber and basil. You get 16 in a pack, and these usually retail for around about the £15 mark as well. They smell good. They come in clear plastic cases, which is really nice because I just feel like they look nicer than the cheaper ones with the silver kind of casing. And then the other thing that I got from the White Company, which again is small in size, good for a stocking filler, is the Fir Tree Oil. Now this is one of many scents that they do. You can put these in the White Company oil diffuser that they do. It's like the aromatic one, but you could just use these in a little oil burner. That's how I personally like to use it. And I also pop this on my Fir Tree potpourri that I've got from the White Company. They're usually £6 to £8, and the Fir Tree one is probably my favourite. I'm going to put that to one side for including within my Pine Speed Clean with me. Speaking of pine scented products, some of my fave, I thought these could be quite fun to include within a stocking. They are relevant to Christmas though, so even if the person receiving this gift doesn't use them this year round and maybe saves them for next year, they are little tree scenticles that you can hang on your Christmas tree. So if you have an artificial tree, by hanging these on, it just gives them the scent of a real fir tree. They do loads of different scents. This one is in the white winter fir, and I got this one from B&Q, but you can get them online on Amazon as well, I think. So I'll leave them linked if I can find them. You get 6 sticks and hooks in each one, and if you have a real tree already, then you can always hang these like in wardrobes or in and around the house, so at Christmas time it smells lovely. Okay, a couple of foodie items now, especially if someone is a baker, then I thought these could be quite fun to throw in a stocking for festive baking. So Jane Asher is arranged within Home Bargains, and they've got these Christmassy themed decorations for cakes or whatever. So they've got these little gingerbread men. I think they have Christmas trees as well. These are literally about 50p for this pack. And then this one is about £1, I think, from memory, £1 something. And again, this one has little green and red balls and little mini candy canes. Perfect for festive baking. If they are not necessarily an avid baker, but more of a novice, then Home Bargains do these little what I like to call lazy baking. I love lazy baking. It's just easy, follow the packet instructions, simple, it's usually quite quick as well. So if you're a impatient baker, like I am, you don't like to sit and wait for hours for a cake to cool off before even decorating, then these can be quite fun. So this one is actually a chocolate muffin kit with vanilla frosting, makes 6 muffins, and this is branded the Snowman. They also have in Home Bargains these little marshmallow toppers, which again I thought was super festive and again perfect for throwing in a stocking. They are snowflake shaped with a little bit of glitter on, and you just pop them on top of like a hot chocolate or a cappuccino or something, and they just give off that like kind of festive feel. And again, this is less than £1, so super affordable. This is a nice little luxury foodie treat from Harvey Nicks. If you want to go all out and make a stocking a little more special with the foodie kind of items, then Harvey Nick have such a big range of food, and this one being very Christmassy themed, as it is a cranberry and orange panettone. How adorable is this? I love panettone, but I feel like I need to try more flavoured ones like this. Cranberry and orange sounds so good. And then 2 more items for the kitchen. First things first, if they've got an espresso machine, maybe stock them up on some capsules. They've got these new barista blend ones, and I thought I would just show you how smart is the packaging. I love Nespresso packaging so much. But Starbucks capsules from just supermarkets you can pick up, and these aren't that you know, expensive. I think they're about £4 for the box, and you get 10 in there. A really nice stocking filler if you know that they've got an espresso machine. And then this cute little cracker. Oh my gosh, I love this. This was from B&M. It was about £5, and it has in it the Lakes gin, which has a little bottle in of the Lakes Distillery gin. Let me just show you what the actual bottle looks like so you can see. Cute, right? The fact that it comes in a cracker is just such a perfect little stocking filler. I love that idea. So, B&M bargains. I have 2 more things that I picked up from Home Bargains now. The first one being a sheet mask. I was actually going to get a Lush bath bomb to include as well, but I'm not sure. I think I may have included a Lush bath bomb in a previous gift guide. I saw this one in Home Bargains. The fact that it's themed gingerbread, I just thought was perfect for Christmas. And again, these are like less than £1. And then I also got this, which I really like because it's already wrapped. It's just a soap bar, which they have a couple of different scents in, and this one is orange, clove and cinnamon from the winter collections. But yeah, the fact that it's already pre-packaged, I just thought was so cute. And again, I think this was about £1.49. A £1 item that you could throw in if someone likes their home scents, the reed diffusers, then Dunelm sell these little wax lyrical reed diffusers, 30cm reed diffusers. They do them in black, which is what this set is, and they also do them in the natural kind of colour. But they're nice even just to refresh your reed diffuser if you feel like your reeds are getting a bit old. Then to have a fresh new set, it somehow makes the fragrance work better. Then I picked up this iron wick trimmer, and they do sets on Amazon of wick trimmers and wick dippers and snuffers as well. But I have spotted these in Home Bargains from Yankee Candle at, again, a few pounds, but the fact that they're from Yankee Candle is amazing, and they are silver, so, and I already have a pair in black. I got these ones from Amazon. But yeah, I thought this could be a cute little idea to throw into a stocking as well, especially if they love their candles. Then I also got this 1 line a day book, it's called. It's a 5-year memory journal. I got this one from Oliver Bonus or Anthropology, one of the two, but I think they do this on Amazon as well. So again, if I can find it, I'll link it. But it is essentially exactly what it says on the front, 1 line a day, 5-year memory journal. So on your first page, you have, say, January the 1st, January 4th, that's the page I'm on, that's my birthday, January 1st, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sections, and starting with 2021, you would just write a line that either maybe you could go with something that you're grateful for that day, a line to sum up the day, something that you want to achieve that day, and maybe start with your journal in the morning. Loads of different ways you could use it, but I just love this for the simplicity of it. It's not a dedicated journal where you've got to write pages and pages and then it becomes a bit of a chore. This is just 1 simple line a day. This one is $14.99. And then for the hincher, the hinch lover, they have some Minkies in the festive kind of prints. This one has snowflakes. I think they have one with reindeers on as well. So I thought this with a festive Zaflora little set could look cute in a stocking. This one's actually quite a big one. It's the warm cinnamon, one of my favorites. But I also have a couple of the smaller ones in winter spice and winter morning. But I just thought, how cute would that be? A little gift set, a little hinch set, hinch stocking filler set. And kind of following on from that, the last item that I wanted to share with you is, of course, a festive wax melt and oil burner. Now I have 2 to show you. This one from B&M is only £3 if you want to go down the festive route. This one's got a really pretty snowflake design on. Or if you want to go simple, sleek, classic, minimal, kind of modern looking, then Asda do these square ones, which I have shown previously. I have since bought more because I think this is the wax melt burner style that I'm gonna have throughout my house. So So I got this for £2.50, these ones are, and I have a whole host of Yankee Candle wax melts in seasonal scents. I honestly have so many. I'm not gonna run through them all, but Home Bargains do them all at like 49p to 79p each. So I thought you could create a little kind of hamper bundle of different wax melts and votives, and maybe pop it with a wax melt burner, and you've got a cute little fun home-centered gift on a budget. So that is everything that I wanted to include within this stocking filler gift guide. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found some useful ideas that you will go on and use yourself. Any other suggestions for stocking fillers, do leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for my next gift guide videos coming up later on this week, and I hope to see you all then. Bye guys!